an air fryer. That is more healthy to use in frying. It doesn't require you to use oil. This is omelette, African omelette. Home economic students, you remember this. You have omelette, you will bobby bob, you will eat chicken, you will even cook it with lemon. So that's African omelette. Who remembers this? So this is fried African omelette. A lot of Ibadan people don't know this delicacy. I think this is peculiar to Oyo indigenous. He shouted. Sorry. When you are living in the farmer's house, that's also enjoyment. You could enjoy it. Hey, after all, rural life is not that bad. All you urban people, city people, where you they always eat frozen. If you know they do frozen here, everything is fresh. See, you know they don't do nylon. Na moi alagolo. Yeah? They get egg. Basically, I'm having my breakfast in the kitchen, literally. I'm having my breakfast in the kitchen. Then I know they do milk. So big belly. This is the life of a mother of 4 trying to cook lunch while having breakfast in the kitchen. I'll see you when lunch is ready. It's time to make lunch. Remember, here is the life of a mother of 4. This is my delica. The only thing that will not make this jollof rice be like real party jollof, Nigerian party jollof, is the fact that I don't get foil paper for this house. So some steams will escape and that will not give me the desired results. But nonetheless, we move. Okay. This is my pepper. So I'm cooking, remember, in a family of 5. For a family of 5, I'm cooking for a family of 5. Be like say this vegetable will not go reach you. So I don't like too much oil because all these vegetable oil, they are not very healthy. Let me, just a little. By the time it fries, it will still extract some oil. So let me add my stock. Never mind. Hey, madano. So I don't add my stock. I don't like adding the bay leaf. I don't know. Maybe it's the type of bay leaf that I have. I don't like the end result each time I had this bay leaf. It doesn't give me desired results. Instead, it makes my jollof rice taste more peppery. So I won't even bother using it. I don't want to. So if you have better bay leaf options, you can please recommend. Personally, I don't badun all those like curry, thyme in my food, so I don't add them. No, I just do my salt and my spice by Maggi. And I'm not the one that does what do they call them now? Sauce, like soy sauce, all those things. I've tried soy sauce before. My God, I added it to noodles. I couldn't eat it. It was nauseating. So I just do my simple life just like that. No worries, no wahala, just my salt and my Maggi, any type of Maggi. But the Maggi I'm using now is chicken flavor. Chicken flavor, because I'm cooking with chicken stock now. Remember, there's already salt and Maggi in our stock, so I wouldn't be adding too much. So I just allow it to simmer for some minutes. So before it fries, before the stew fries, I'd like to add some of my chicken. I like to coat with this sauce, this stew sauce, because I'm cooking jollof rice, of course. I don't want just fried chicken on the jollof rice. I want the chicken to be coated with some of this stew sauce. So I'll just select a few. Remember, I'll be the mama of the house, so I go pick big one for myself. And for the kids, let's select not so big ones because they are kids. They like this part. Kids love this part a lot. I don't know about your kids. Even as adults, I love this part. But there's a myth that if you eat that part of the chicken, you'll be nosy. You'll be nosy. And you'll be a talkative. And you don't know how to keep secrets. I don't know how far that is true, but I believe it's just a myth. So I'll just allow it to stay for like 1 minute. Then I'll keep it somewhere. I'll keep the chicken somewhere. So let me quickly chip this in. This house is not really my house. So I'm with my sister far back in a town, and I have her kids, 2 of her kids. She has just 2. She's got only 2 kids. So I have her 2 kids here and my 2 kids as well, making 4. So 5 of us are the only ones in this old flat. And remember, I work on weekends sometimes. So today is one of the weekends. Today is Saturday, and I've got to work in the afternoon. So that's why since we woke up, it's been work back to back. So I'll cover again to allow the stew fry. This is what it will look like. So it will taste differently from just eating the fried chicken. It's mine. I'm still eating. It's mine. So
Mommy.
It tastes heavenly.
Mommy.
I'll be back. Just so you know, just started raining now, and the kids are so excited. So as you can see, some traces of oil are already appearing on our stew. That's saying that it is fried. If I leave it for some more time, it will even have more oil than this, but I think I'm okay with this quantity. I can pour in my washed rice now. So until I try basmati rice, I'll still prefer to use this, my small grate. So like I said, my sister is a farmer, she's a poultry farmer, and from time to time she likes to send us chicken so that we can enjoy our weekends. So from time to time, just like yesterday, she sent us 2 chicken for us to enjoy our weekends, and then she sent us eggs, crabs and whole eggs. So the crabs, we use them for omelets, local omelets, and some we boil some because the kids like boiled eggs too. So it's still raining, and we're loving this weekend. I also want to finish up everything I'm doing. I have to do before I go to work. The kids have already had their bath, so I want to finish up everything so I can have some time to rest before we move out. Never mind, I don't know where the cover of this pot is, but maybe I will look for it. Can somebody just help me ask Nigerian NEPA, IBDEC, or within any call them, electricity generating companies? What is it with rainfall and lights and power supply? Once rain starts to fall, NEPA people will be hungry, or maybe they will be scared and they will take off the light. So imagine, it started raining now and they took off the lights. So that's one of the reasons many people are leaving the country. The issue of power outage. So what I'll do next is just add more water, then taste to find out if the spice or if the salt and the Maggi are enough or they need to be augmented. I'm loving what I'm saying. So let's go. Let me add more water. So after tasting the water, I don't think I need to add more Maggi. I just need to add a little more salt. Just salt. I sent our neighbor to help me buy pepper and grind. Otherwise, I love putting some sliced tomatoes when my rice is almost done. But I don't have any sliced tomato on ground now. So don't add too much water because you wouldn't know. You wouldn't want your jollof rice to be too soft. So I'll cover. Naturally, I'm supposed to, cover this pot first with a foil paper. But in the absence of that, I've just got to manage what I have. So I'll just cover with my cover and wait for the rice to be done. Really enjoyed this session, and if you would love to watch more of my cooking styles, just let me know in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, hold on, just hang in there, click the subscribe button. So don't go away yet, because I'm going to show you the end result of everything and how I am going to, pack our lunch. You're going to see. So now rain has stopped though, but NEPA has refused to bring the lights. So this is like how many minutes after? Like 16 minutes after. I need to check, because jollof rice is funny. It will still have some quantity of water at the top. Meanwhile, it would have started burning at the base. So in order to avoid eating burnt offering, I want to check whether my rice is tender or not. Oh my god, it's tender. It's tender, and I need to add a little more salt. So it is at this point I would have loved to have my sliced tomatoes. Had it been I had some. So I just want to add a little more salt. It's so tasty and it smells smoky. Funny enough, even without my foil, it still smells smoky and it tastes like pampered jollof. So at this point I would like to reduce the fire. It is soft, yes, so I just need it to steam, because obviously the water has reduced. So I just allow it to steam and reduce the fire. so that it won't get really burnt. So I'll cook under low heat now. After now, I still have to make stew. And next, after making stew today, tomorrow I'm going to make those what's this called? This is okra, dried blended okra. It's called orula. I'm going to make orula so that I can eat swallow tomorrow. So if you'd like to watch my orula video, the preparation of orula, let me know in the comment section. Remember, this is rural life and it's fun. Really, it's fun. There's lots and lots of enjoyment in the rural area. Like the urban area where you are stressed. You see, I'm not stressed here. I'm not so stressed. I'm enjoying life, eating everything fresh. So I'll be right back. Honestly, you wouldn't believe this. I know you won't believe it, but this jollof rice smells really smoky. I'm telling you. I am telling you. As you can see, it has already started burning. So this is a convenient point for me, to cook something else. Honestly, I'm not a kitchen type. I don't really like cooking. Each time I feel like running outside the kitchen almost immediately. So doing this, I think it will help me to enjoy cooking the more. This vlog is going to help me enjoy cooking the more. See, this is our party jollof. I am telling you, it smells really smoky. This is our Nigerian jollof. So next thing I'll be doing now is to do the dishes, wash the plates while I make this. And because this is health talk, I wouldn't want to completely deviate from talking health. Let me quickly chip in these health tips. You see, deep frying or frying with vegetable oil is not so healthy. So but what can we do now until I have enough money to buy what do they call it now, an air fryer? It's air fryer. Until then, we'll keep frying like this. But if you can afford an air fryer, that is more healthy to use in frying. It doesn't require you to use oil. You just extract the oil from your chicken or from your fish to fry that chicken or the fish. So that is more healthy than using all these vegetable oils. Now lie, if they say zero cholesterol, now lie. So I think this is a convenient point for me to stop because I don't want this video to be too long. But you should expect more vlogs from me. Honestly, I think I enjoyed doing this morning. I really enjoyed my time here in the kitchen. So finally, I'm going to show you when I finish dishing this jollof rice. I'm going to probably make it my thumbnail. So the reason why I just thought of making a vlog is because I found myself watching a lot of other people's vlogs these days on YouTube, and it has become so interesting to me that I even prefer watching other people's vlogs than watching movies on YouTube. So I think this vlog has come to stay. So aside talking health, aside talking TEF, I'll be doing more vlogs too. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And if you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button. I'd love to see you in my next video. Bye.